Yo, what's going guys, it's me Droid here, back with another tutorial video. And this tutorial guys, I'm going to teach you how you can make a cool shake for your transitions. So without being boring, let's get into the video. So right now, let's just create a new project by clicking on the plus button down. Let's create. So you can add anything that you want to add to make your shake with. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my photo, or you can add your video, you can add your photos that you want to make for your edit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my, so go ahead and add the photo or video that you want to use on your shake. So I'm just gonna change the size of my photo because I want it to be like this, and I'm gonna also change the So once you have done to make just like what you want, you're just gonna click here on add effects. So click add effect, and we're gonna choose effect on move and transform. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this effect called oscillate. I'm just gonna go ahead and add this effect called oscillate. And once you have done to add that effect, you have to change some settings. So the angle, we want it to be like on 90. So take the angle to 90, and also the frequency, we want it to be like on 6.52. And on magnitude, you just need to add keyframes. So first keyframes, add the first keyframe on the beginning, and also the second keyframe in the middle or anywhere you want. So on the first keyframes, change the effect to 160. Change the effect to 164. As you can see, we have something like this. And now go back and duplicate this, duplicate the layer, duplicate the effect. So once you have done to duplicate the effect, go and add another effect. So we're just gonna add the motion blur. Go on this effect and just choose motion blur. Just decrease the or change the setting. So you have to disable scale, just disable scale, and you have something like this. So now we're just gonna add another effect, which is called squeeze. Go ahead and look for the effect that name squeeze. This effect right here, name squeeze. So once you have done to add this effect, add the first keyframe. We're just going to add 4 keyframes. So add the second right here, and add the third right here, and also the last one over here. So go on the first keyframe, change it to -44. Go to the second one, change it to 0.16. Go to the third one, change it to 0.13. and the last one, just leave it like the way it is. So as you can see now, we have something which look like this, but we still have to add some effects to make it more cool. So for this, you have just to add on color and light and choose the effect that names exposure and grammar. So add the first keyframe on exposure and also the last one over here. On the first keyframe, go and change to 164. Change it to 164. So as you can see right now, you have something. I can say that this is not so good, but you can use it for your transitions or something. As you can see, this transition, this shake looks so easy and it's so cool for your transition. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I see you with another tutorial video.